All right, everybody, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. This is part 3 in Grecia here. We just did another video right back there in downtown. Walked around there by the church, and I was on the quest for lip pillows, still more. Didn't find any, but I did find the Municipal market, Mercado Municipal. So we'll go walk through there and check it out. Check it out. If this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. As always, leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Check the last 2 videos in this itinerary series. Guys, we're only about half an hour outside of the SGO airport. This is a great spot if you want to stop before you continue on your venture, especially to La Fortuna. It's kind of on the way to La Fortuna. So we're staying tonight in a glamping spot called Tierra Nueva. That's the first video. So we toured there. Then once again, we did downtown, and today we're going to do the Municipal market right now, today. It's all on the same day. I'm on a turbo video quest here. I'm just getting all the videos in. So this is a common thing too. I said in the first video, you know, you'll commonly see in the middle of town a central park and a church. You'll often find a municipal market like this nearby as well. So we're gonna quick look at some of the different stuff that's for sale here. Food, guys. I'm not a foodie. I get so many comments saying you should know more about the food before I make a video, and I shan't. I shan't know more about the food. This is not a travel. This is a travel vlog. It is not a culinary vlog, and I do not cook. So I know what those are. Those are delicious. Those are delicious. You cut them open. They're like a grape. Like a grape. Oh, amigo, ¿cómo le va? Piñas, nice and yellow piñas. I know what those are. These are oranges. So oranges can be green here, interestingly enough, and yellow. They make great orange juice. Here's a macrobiotica, looks like. Ooh, we got some protein powder. See, I know what that is. I could do a channel about protein powder. Don't ask me what a green leafy thing is. Oh, that goes right out to the street. Okay. So here's some more fruit vendors. I know what these are, papayas. Those are the seeds are supposed to be really good for you for something. Parasites, maybe. Got garlic. These are good, guys. If you haven't come to Costa Rica, these are like my go-to snacks. Plantain chips. My goodness, man, they're so good. These are like palm fruits. I don't know if I've ever had those. Oh, let's look at this stuff. Let's do a test. Oh my goodness, is this a... Oh, amigo, ¿dónde va? Jackfruit? Jackfruit, este? Guanábana. Ok, gracias. ¿Y cuánto cuesta estos? ¿Cuánto cuestan estos? Kilo, 3,500. Okay, gracias. There you go, guys. About $7 a kilo for what? Guanábana. Guanábana. There you go. There's more rambutan. Oh, these are... Estos son zapotes? Anona. Anona. Oh, okay, okay. Not zapotes. I thought they might have been zapotes for some reason. Guys, again, I don't know. I know those are mangoes. I think I know what those are. And coconuts. Let's go back this way. Oh, chiles here. We got some chiles. Cool. Apples, manzanas, green. Okay, guys, see amigo. Cool. We got chicken. We got chicken. Various types of chicken, sea chicken, land chicken. Who knows what's going on here, boys? We got watch store. More watch store. More jewelry. Man, blinged out. I got my bling on already. And we got some prices here. We got some prices here. Hola. So Chile. This for $2. They're about. Tomate. Hola amigo. Sí, tomate. 700, sí. Para bolsa. Una bolsa.
Una bolsa.
Sí, okay. Es buen precio. Oh, no, no para mí, solo para el video. Sí, sí. Yeah.
Puedes tomarla.
Solo para mostrar a la gente.
Sí, está bien.
Sí. Cool. Chile. Buen chiles. ¿De Costa Rica o otra vez?
Costa Rica.
Sí, de Costa Rica. 3 bolsas.
3 bolsas.
Oh, ok. Por 1,000. $2. Más o menos. $2.
Sí, $2.
Yeah.
$2 las 3 bolsas.
Cool, ok. Cool. ¿Y manzanas?
Manzanas sale a 1,000 con 6 unidades.
Esta, 1,000.
Y es 1,000. Y esta
Sí.
con 5 unidades también 1,000.
1,000. Oh, wow, ok. Buen precio, buen precio.
$2 también.
Sí. Ok, gracias, amigo.
Mucho gusto.
Buenos días. Cool. More fruits over here, man. Oh, we got some peaches here. Wow, there's a lot of fruits here. I like it. A lot of green stuff. Hello, man.
Hello.
Cool.
Hacia adelante.
¿Dónde? Ahí. Ah, sí, sí.
Yes, look.
No tengo hambre, pero para el video, sí.
Yeah, it is, look.
Sí, sí. ¿Y cuánto
look.
cuesta eso? Mangos.
1300.
1300. ¿Y cuál es su nombre?
Brando.
Brando, Josh.
Nice to
Gusto. ¿Hablas inglés?
A little.
A little bit? Okay.
Yeah.
The people watching probably speak English. What's the most popular thing that you have?
Manzana.
Peras, yeah. Manzanas, yeah.
Granadilla. This is
Granadilla.
national.
This is made in Costa Rica. Yeah, yeah. Those are cool.
Granadilla.
And how much is the bag?
I don't know.
This is depende.
Yeah.
¿Qué hora? ¿Qué hora es en el día?
Y en la mañana las empacamos. Entonces,
Yeah, yeah.
están frescas.
Sí, sí, sí. Cool. ¿Y
Hay mandarina también.
mandarina es de Costa Rica?
Sí.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Y pero peras
Peras.
son de ¿qué pies?
I don't know.
Chile?
Different.
Chile.
Different.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. Oh, no, it's okay. Not for me. Not for me. Oh, no, it's okay. No, I can't. I'm filming the video. I only got one hand. It's okay. Okay. You want to show me more stuff? You want to show me more? It's for a travel
Yeah.
vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah, show me what you have. Yeah. Come look. Yeah.
Different products.
Yeah, different produce and
Yeah.
kiwis.
Yeah.
We got plums. We got peaches. And how much are these? What are these? I see these everywhere, but I don't know.
Ulloa.
What is it?
This.
Oh, cool. Yeah. It's a fruit.
Yeah.
Okay. It's sweet.
Yeah.
Does it have a seed in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, man. And what color should they be when you pick them? Like this color or green?
This.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, that's good. It's very sweet, like grape. Yeah, it's good. Got lots of pineapples. How much are the pineapples?
¿Vas a cash? This.
Like
General.
este. ¿Cuánto cuesta este?
1600.
1600?
Yeah.
Okay. It's grandes. Son grandes. Sí.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, man. Hey, what's inside there? Vegetales inside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, these are good. What are these called in Spanish again? Starfruit in English.
Hello. ¿Cómo es que llamas eso? Carambola.
Garambola. Yeah, very healthy. These ones. Very healthy. Cool. How much are they? How much? ¿Cuánto cuestan? ¿Unidad o bolsa? Meal and kilo. Okay. Cool. Awesome. And honey. Got chiles.
Dulce.
Dulce, yeah, sí. Azúcar. Crudo. Yeah. Cool, brother. All right. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, nice to meet you, bro. All right. So Brandon there, very nice guy. And I always love it when people jump out and show their wares, What we got going on down here? Looks like there's some restaurants down here as well. We got some meat. This is like the meat section, it seems. Have I been down here already? Have I already been down here? I don't know where I'm going. I'm lost. Guys? No, I'm not. I know where. We'll go this way. Yeah, this is kind of like restaurant area then. Empanadas. 1,200 cologne for an empanada. About $2.50. Cool, look at this big mural. Big 3D mural. I like that. Very cool. Now there is a bus station right here, guys. Bus station right here. We'll look over here real quick. We got more fruits and veggies vendors over here. We've got buses. So I don't know anything about the buses here. I haven't done this. I'm assuming these are like municipal buses going nearby. But if you guys know about the buses here, the bus schedule or anything like that, let me know. Leave a comment if you know what the buses, where the buses go from here. Because maybe somebody's looking at them. I've taken the bigger buses, like the intercity buses that go between provinces, but I haven't really done the municipal ones yet. That's a school bus. Let's go look out at the street here. See what it looks like. Ferreteria, that's a hardware store. So if you see Ferreteria, that's a hardware store. We got Supermercado right here. You might have lip pillows. Definitely going in there in a second. Mundo Magico. It's like a department kind of cheaper store. That looks like, oh, they got all kinds of stuff in there. That's like a dollar store, it looks like. Oh, look at this bus, man. Purple and pink. Dang, yo. That's a nice looking bus. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, what is that, part 3? Where are we? The videos here in Grecia. Just about 30 minutes outside the San Jose airport, primary airport here in Costa Rica. Once again, I'm going to put on screen the stuff that I find useful in the Amazon store, including the backpack I'm wearing, the umbrella that's attached to the backpack right now, water shoes that I use when I'm on the beach, and some other stuff like sunscreen. So check that link out. It supports the channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.